In the heart of the 20th century, as humanity grappled with the looming specter of energy depletion, a new dawn was about to break on the horizon. This was the era of nuclear fission, but scientists were already peering beyond its limits, into the realm of fusion power. The concept of fusion power was not new. It was first proposed by physicist Hans Bethe in the 1930s, but it wasn't until the 1950s that serious research began. The potential was immense. Fusion power promised to provide virtually limitless, clean, and sustainable energy, the solution to the energy crisis looming on the horizon. The crisis was real. The world was consuming fossil fuels at an alarming rate, and the consequences were dire. Air and water pollution were on the rise, and the specter of climate change was beginning to cast a long shadow over the future. The need for a clean, sustainable energy source was urgent. Enter the tokamak, a Russian invention that would become the cornerstone of fusion research. It was a toroidal chamber designed to confine plasma using magnetic fields. The first tokamak was built in 1958 by Soviet physicist Igor Tamm and his team. The action was intense. Scientists worked tirelessly, pushing the boundaries of their understanding of physics. They grappled with challenges such as confining and heating the plasma, and preventing it from coming into contact with the walls of the tokamak, a process known as wall interaction. Progress was slow, and there were setbacks. The first tokamak experiments failed to produce net energy, and many believed that fusion power was a pipe dream. But the scientists were undeterred. They knew that the potential rewards were too great to ignore. In 1989, the tokamak 15 in the USSR produced the first controlled fusion reaction, a significant milestone in the history of fusion power research. It was a moment of triumph, a testament to the tenacity of the scientists who had dedicated their lives to this cause. The consequences were far-reaching. The success of tokamak 15 spurred a renewed interest in fusion power research. Countries around the world began investing in fusion research, hoping to harness this clean, sustainable energy source. Today, we are closer than ever to realizing the promise of fusion power. The dawn of fusion power is not just a technological achievement, but a beacon of hope for a sustainable future. It is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and determination in the face of crisis. And as we continue to grapple with the energy challenges of the 21st century, the pursuit of fusion power remains a vital part of our journey towards a cleaner, brighter future.